Need to send a text later instead of right now? With Google Messages on Android, you can easily schedule text messages to be sent automatically at the perfect time. Whether it's a birthday wish, a reminder, or an important follow up, here's how to schedule a text message in just a few simple steps. To get started, open the Google Messages app on your Android device and select the conversation where you want to send the scheduled message. If you need to text someone new, simply start a new chat and choose the contact. Next, type your message in the text field just as you normally would. Once your message is ready, press and hold the send button, the paper airplane icon, instead of tapping it once. A scheduling menu will appear with several preset options, such as later today or tomorrow morning. If these options don't fit your needs, tap Pick Date and Time to select a custom schedule. Choose the exact date and time you want your message to be delivered, then tap Save to confirm your selection. After saving, you'll notice the Send button now displays a small clock icon indicating that the message is scheduled. Tap this button to finalize the process. Your message will remain in the conversation with a scheduled status until the selected time arrives, at which point Google Messages will automatically send it. This feature is especially helpful for professionals, students, parents, and anyone who wants to communicate more efficiently. It ensures your messages are delivered at the perfect moment, even if you're busy, asleep, or away from your phone. With just a few taps, you can stay organized, avoid forgetting important conversations, and make your daily communication much more convenient and stress-free.